Taun with the KSL Greenhouse Show with Sheriden Hansen, horticulturist with Utah State University Extension. We have here a tree called Vanderwolf's pyramidal limber pine, a long name. A lot of times they're just called Vanderwolf Pine. And this is a great example. It's a native tree, but it's an example of something that actually can be quite difficult to grow in our landscapes. They don't like to be overwatered, but they still require some moisture. So Sheriden, what are you doing to water this tree?
So this tree has an overhead spray. It gets watered twice a week fairly deeply. And then you can also see behind us there's the orchard, and the orchard is on a slope, and we run that water for quite some time. So sometimes we get a little bit of water that moves this way from the orchard. So I think it's kind of double dipping from what we do here.
Yeah, and so that periodic flooding, it likes to be watered deeply, and that's what it's getting from the orchard. But if you plant these in your yard, make sure it's deep watered, getting established probably twice a week after 2 or 3 years, once every week to 10 days, and that seems to be the trick to get these going. But people love them, and they love them to death by overwatering, but they're a great tree if you can have a good situation and water them correctly.
Beautiful selection.
Join us Saturday mornings for the KSL Greenhouse Show from 8 to 11 on KSL 1160 AM and 102.7 FM.